Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a share option in Facebook. To begin, simply find the share button located directly below any post you wish to share. Once clicked, a menu will appear, offering various options for where you can share the content. Carefully select your preferred destination, such as your newsfeed or a private message. Finally, choose the specific audience who will see your shared post before finalizing the action. Facebook provides several convenient ways to share content. You can easily share a post directly to your own newsfeed, making it visible to your friends and followers. Alternatively, you might choose to share it on a friend's timeline, within a specific group you belong to, or even send it as a private message to one or more individuals. Each option offers a different reach and purpose for your shared content. Before you finalize sharing, you have the opportunity to personalize your post. You can add your own comment, expressing your thoughts or reactions to the content. It's also possible to tag friends who might be interested or include a relevant location. Remember to review and adjust the privacy settings for your shared post, ensuring it reaches only your intended audience. This customization helps make your share more engaging. When sharing on Facebook, it's crucial to practice good digital citizenship. Always take a moment to check the original post's privacy settings to understand its intended audience. Be mindful of the content you choose to share and consider its potential impact. Regularly reviewing your own sharing settings ensures your personal information and shared content are protected according to your preferences. Share responsibly and thoughtfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.